one local union that's been helping people register with the Covered California website. It's the Service Employees Union. It's been holding an Enrollathon. It's in Commerce, where Hal Eisner is. He's joining us live to tell us how things have been going there. Hal.
Well, you know, it's kind of noisy out here. You got music. It's almost like a circus atmosphere. It's actually one of many different events around the state where there are people helping people figure out exactly how to enroll. If you take a look behind me, you can see the line of people out here outside of the building. Probably about a couple hundred people out here. Inside of the United Healthcare Workers headquarters of SEIU, you've got another couple hundred people. So far, over 700 people have come through here today. 400 have enrolled in the Affordable Care Act. And one of the big targets of all of this, of course, across the state has been to try to get younger people. We went to Santa Monica City College earlier today just to see how many young people had insurance, and we found some that didn't. You don't have any insurance yet?
No.
You're not covered?
Mm-mm.
Gabrielle Brown is a student at Santa Monica City College, and while she doesn't have insurance, there are plenty here who do. Some because they were worried about paying a penalty if they didn't. They felt pressured.
I signed up for it before the deadline. I signed up for it about 2 months ago, and I was told that I only qualify for Medi-Cal.
Janae Franklin is concerned about the kind of care she might get under Medi-Cal. Not this student, who used her government coverage in January.
I had like this really intense injury and I had to go to the emergency room, and everything was covered. I just went to St. John's and it was awesome, and I didn't have to worry about anything.
Inside SEIU-UHW headquarters, their Enrollathon is continuing. Hundreds showing up and hundreds signing up. Officials here admitting this is a very complicated system. If you don't have insurance by midnight, you might have to pay a penalty. But if you're indigent or a student, you might not. Or you might. That takes us back to Danielle Brown. You really didn't realize that the deadline was on you. You have not a drop of insurance.
No.
Is she facing a $95 fine?
I would say unless she goes throughout the rest of this year without applying for health coverage, she will be fine. But she is going to have time because she's likely going to be eligible for Medi-Cal, which they will accept applications after March 31st for Medi-Cal.
I will get that insurance though.
And after our conversation, I got the impression she definitely was headed toward the computer. A lot of people here at this Commerce location trying to get some help. Now, let me just throw some numbers at you here, not to get too confusing, but like we said, there are about 400 people out here now. The wait outside to get inside is 2 hours. The wait inside to get to a counselor is 2 hours. That's 4 hours. We have a little less than 7 hours left. People to come the next couple hours, that's going to be it for this location. So what they're recommending is go to California, Covered CA, Covered California. It's coveredca.com. You can sign up online there. There is help online, or you can see a list there of other locations where you might be able to get some assistance. Let me just leave you with this shot again. Hundreds and hundreds of people trying to get signed up for the Affordable Care Act here in the City of Commerce. Jeff, Chris.
All right, Hal, thanks much.